For the transitional jacket, we are using crochet pieces for collar and for flaps of the pockets. We used a vintage cotton thread. The piece can be found on your sewing pattern, and you can simply calculate the amount of chains by doing a small sample piece of 10 chains and measuring how long that is going to be. The crochet itself is very easy and just consists of single crochets, or for all British people, double crochets. We will later in the video show you how to attach the pieces to the fabric, which is a bit more challenging. At the end, you'll add one chain before turning. The flap as well as the collar is fully lined. For this use, the main fabric and iron on interfacing. You'll need that, because you will punch holes in the pieces for the crochet hooks to go through. The trickiest part is to calculate the holes. You will need as many holes as you have single crochets. On the sides, we would recommend the same distance between the holes as you have on the long side. You'll now again use the single crochet, or in Britain, double crochet, for connecting your crochet flap to the fabric piece. Make sure not to miss a chain or hole.